Door handles spread more germs than handshakes. And scientists just uncovered something that might make you rethink touching door handles. In fact, they're spreading more germs than even handshakes. Researchers discovered that door handles can harbor up to 97% of all bacteria found on surfaces. That's a staggering amount. To put it into perspective, imagine shaking hands with someone who just touched every single door handle in your neighborhood. Here's the crazy part: people are touching door handles multiple times a day, without even realizing it. In fact, studies show that people touch their faces, then touch door handles, and then spread germs all over their bodies. It's like a never-ending cycle of germs spreading. What can you do to reduce the risk? Start by washing your hands frequently, especially after touching door handles or shaking hands with others. When you see something about, "This is what you were seeing." Number 6. A day. Education of ability. So, what are you waiting for? Start reading 30 minutes a day and unlock your